In a world driven by data, one vulnerability is all it takes. Cyber threats don't knock, they break in. Learn to think like an attacker. Defend like a professional.
Again, very good evening, guys. So, did you all have your lunch? Oh, sorry, dinner? Okay, Manjeet. So, we are studying here, and there is Bharat, or people are banging drums. Zero civic sense, guys. Zero civic sense. So did you see that reels that are going viral? And we are doing Google Meet and studying here, and people are banging drums. Zero civic sense. Yes, nowadays people have zero civic sense. How we can tell them that we are studying here? Don't go for like Bharat, something like study. So, hello, Joel. Are you there? Hello, Joel?
Yeah, I'm there.
So, in the last session, someone has asked regarding the sessions recording. Can you tell them regarding that?
Wait, just wait, huh?
Okay. No problem.
Wait, can you repeat?
So, I have asked that in the last session, someone asked regarding the recordings of the session. That they are
Yeah,
not
guys.
uploaded to the
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, guys, recording will be available on 6th February or 7th February, okay? So, no need to worry about it. We are going to upload all the recordings in the YouTube and all, okay?
Okay. So, okay, guys. So, we will upload them by 6th or 7th Feb. So, don't worry about it. Okay, you will get all. So, okay, so anyone facing any issue regarding installation? Tell me, so I can give you the permission so you can share the screen and all. If anyone is facing any problem, he or she can tell me. Or you're not clear? Wait a minute, let me rejoin. Okay. Hello. Am I audible to you guys now? So it's giving black screen. So I'm audible to you, data. So it's giving black screen in virtual box. Okay, Rahul. So let me give you the permissions, then you can share the screen. Why don't you download the VMware? It's very easy to handle VMware. Okay, so first let me give you the access so you can share this. Okay, so I'll give you the access, Rahul. You can share the screen so I can check. VMware is not supported. Alright. Share your screen. And if anyone else have also the same issues like in installing, he or she can text me in the chat box so I can check. Okay, Rahul, open it. Open VirtualBox. Okay. So this step is coming only, right? Okay, do one thing, Rahul. Delete this virtual machine and close it and delete this virtual machine and again add it. New machine. Okay, delete this machine. Okay, no voice to delete. Okay, get a new one. Remove it. Okay, remove it. Delete the virtual machine files. Okay, so now you. Kali. Okay, select the ISO file. So Rahul, tell me you have downloaded the proper ISO file or the VirtualBox ISO file integrated? Normal ISO. Okay, open it. Ubuntu. Don't select Ubuntu ARM64. Click on version and go down. Scroll. There is no option to scroll. Okay, click on the same then. Okay, Ubuntu. Click on Ubuntu. Same. Ubuntu. Okay, proceed. Finish it. Now double click. Click on view and increase the screen. Virtual screen 1. Go to down. No. Go to virtual screen 1. Down. Yes. And go to scale 125 or 150. Okay. So nothing happening. Okay, do one thing. Close this again. Close this machine and go to Google. Go to Google. And type Kali ISO download. And show me which file you have downloaded. Show me from where you and which file you have downloaded. Install images. Okay. Go back once. Click on virtual machines and download the VirtualBox. This file is downloaded. Okay. When you get downloaded, then tell me. Okay. And I hope this file will work with you. Okay. I hope this will work with you. So,
sir, it's AMD version, sir.
okay, so you have Snapdragon.
I want ARM version.
Okay, so you have Mac, I think. Something like.
It's not a Mac, sir. It's Acer Snapdragon Express processor.
Okay, Snapdragon. So you have Snapdragon. Okay, all right. Cancel it. Cancel the download. Okay, so the problem. Trying to reopen the virtual machine then. Double click on Oracle. Double click. Okay, Rahul. So okay, no problem. You can close the screen. So anyone who is having this type of problems with Snapdragon, like you don't have normal processors, Intel and Ryzen, you have Snapdragon processors and not able to install in VMware and that ISO file, then I will share you the particular new video regarding it. So try to check that video, okay, and do the same mentioned in the video. And if you face any problem after that also, you can talk to me in the next session, okay? Because this is something new problem I didn't face because I have never used this type of processor and stuff. That's why I don't understand the problem. I will check it out and then I will get back to you, okay? Okay guys, okay Rahul? I will let you know in the next session, or I will share the new video link to the team, and whoever having that Snapdragon processor, he or she can do the same and mention the video. And if you are facing same issue, then we will see in next session. So anyone else who is having problem in installing VMware and Kali Linux in the Intel and normal processors, not Snapdragon problem. Anyone guys? Sorry. Hello, I'm audible to you guys. If you all have so let me create a poll. There are 44 students in the 43, I think. So reply to me that who is installed, who is not. I'm creating a poll. Okay. You installed successfully. Okay, so reply to the poll. Yes, Tafiq. Wait a minute. So let me clear all the doubts. So it is important that you all guys have the installed Linux and VMware something stuff. So we can move forward smoothly. Okay. So we have to be aware of everyone having clear and out. Reply to the poll, guys. So those people who are clicking only downloaded, then not set up. Then if you have any doubt, like, or you are just not done it, you can reply in the chat box so I can help you. If you can do it by yourself, surely you can later. And if you have any doubts that I am facing this problem, except these Snapdragon problems, then you can message in the chat box. Thank you so much, guys, who have downloaded but not set up. And if you five guys have any problem, then you can text me in the chat box, or you can do it by yourself if you can. No problem at it. We'll do it shortly. Okay, two guys facing problem. One guy who is facing problem. That one vote. Reply to the poll, guys. First. Yes, some problem. I will fix that. Okay, Tafik, no problem. Okay, no problem. If you can fix that, that is brilliant. Because okay, so there is one thing that if you are facing any problem and you debug it by yourself, then you will learn much more things. Okay. It is okay to ask from anyone and see the YouTube videos like stuff, but if by any means you debug it by yourself, you will learn too much regarding the system. Okay. So then after that, you will never face any problem regarding that because you can debug it by yourself. But if you face any problem, you can tell me now. Okay. Okay, baby. So okay, guys. Now let me end the poll. Okay, so let me keep move forward. So do you know what is the topic of this session? Let me share the screen. Password security and authentication. Yes, Arish, right. Oh, let me open the PPT first. Again, too much noise from outside, guys. 066. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible to you all, guys. Yes. All right. So do you think that password security and authentication is important? Okay, Kushi. Okay, Abhishek. So tell me, guys. Password security is and authentication is important. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is very important. Okay, guys. So there is one task for you all. I am giving you one fill in the blanks, and you have to give me, and you all have to give me your email password. Okay, and send me your email and your password. Okay. So all you guys are ready? Let me create that poll. Okay. Okay. Never ever give your email passwords like that. Don't trust anyone. Okay. It is your private. Yours. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward in this session. Okay. Yes, so one. No, cool. Don't have the explorer. Just use this. Share your password with anyone. Yes. Good topic. Never ever share your password. So okay. Let me ask you honestly, how many of you use the same password on more than one website? Tell me. in reality. Don't lie. How many of you use same password on more than one website? Me. Me. Not me. Okay. Me. I am not. Okay, Arishri. Okay, Nakul. Okay, Shreya. Okay, Narendra. Me 20 above. Okay. Okay, Arya. And you ask us, how can you visit that we can share it? Okay, Tafik. Okay. I do illegal work with my college anyway. Okay. Like what? Incognito mode? Me. Okay, Koshi, okay, Abhishek. Okay, so that single habit is the reason millions of accounts get hacked every year. Okay, so you are the one also that your account got hacked. Don't. Okay, even me also. Okay, I have also used my same password in many websites, but it is very bad habit. Take notes, Google Notes, and save your passwords. Change your passwords every month. Okay, set different passwords. Password is equal to first security gate. Okay, password is your first security gate. If you have some unique password, then it is very helpful for you. And okay, let me do that. Our today's interesting, knowledgeable thing that I will tell you in the last of the session. It is related to password only. Okay. It is coincidence that we are talking in the session related password and Vashyu authenticator. Yes, Ramcharan. And I have today's interesting thing regarding password itself. So okay, weak password means open door. You are open with open hands inviting hackers, come and hack me. I have weak password. Most attacks don't need hacking tools. Okay, they just have stolen passwords. Hackers don't break in, they log in. Always remember this line. Hackers don't break in, they log in. They didn't break in any software, websites, bugs, something. They simply log in because they have your password. Your ID and your password, they already know that. So they simply log in. My old passwords are about 15-20 years. Okay, Manji. Okay. You are pretty much forward. I think you are 10 steps forward to the hacker. Okay. So let's change this slide and move forward. So why password security matters? Short passwords crack fast. Computers are fast, humans are slow. Okay. Computers are very fast and humans are very slow. Okay. Using common words like admin, passwords, India 123. These are like very easy to hack. Okay, very easy. It will take seconds to hack these passwords. Okay, so make sure your password is hard and large. Okay, these are comes in dictionary attacks. Okay, so these are the some common password attacks that we have: brute force attack, dictionary attack, okay, keyloggers, and credential stuffing. So, can you guys tell me what is dictionary attack, credential stuffing, keylogging? Using Hydra. Yes, Arishri, correct. Hydra is one of the tools by which we can do attacks, brute force attacks. Okay, so dictionary attack is like we have a dictionary. Dictionary means file that has mostly used password or very common passwords that are already present. It contains all that passwords, and we can use that file that already we all must have some website password with that name. Okay, if we are allowed to create an easy password, then definitely 100% we will create that easy password, not hard one. Key logging is monitoring on the keystrokes and information. Is correct, Arishini. Definitely correct. Okay, so credential stuffing is like using leaked passwords from one side to another. Okay, like one website got hacked, and we are using the same that website hack password on different websites, because the hacker knows that people uses same password for every website. Not all, but many of them, except Manjeet. He has different one, but rest most of the people use same password for their website. Different websites, same password. Okay, so one data breach can destroy multiple accounts. So always take your different passwords for different websites and save them in a safe place. So key logging, as Arishi told that malware records what you are typing. Okay. Move forward. What makes password weak? Brute force is performing multiple possible ways to crack. Yes, correct, Arishi. Very good. Okay. So if I guess your password, it's weak. How can we credential stuffing is a process which is like a store from yes, Ramchan, correct. So tell me guys, how can you say that any password is weak? Based on length. Okay. So let's see. If I can guess your password, it's weak. If I can normally guess like for Arishi that Arishi 123 A capital, Arishi @ 123. Okay. Ashish, if I get from somewhere your date of birth, then that. So if I can guess your password, it's weak. Short passwords is also weak. Your name and year. Many people have the name and year. So it is also weak. Phone numbers. You're reusing passwords. These all are like big stuff. Like example, like my name, Bevo @ 123 is not strong. Okay. Yes, correct, Arishi. Not using special characters. Yes, I'm saying correct. Easy to get. Yes, not correct. Okay. Some people use mobile numbers as their password. Even I can tell you that some of you also have your debit cards, debit pin as your date of birth year, your birth year is saved as your like UPI pin or something like debit card pin, something like this. I have seen many of my friends, many, not one, two, like tens of my friends who have saved like stuff. Their date of birth year, like pin, UPI pin, and something like stuff. Okay, so never do that things. I also use like this. Yes, Arga. So don't. So as soon as you will finish this session, you will change every password. Okay. Okay. No, I use different. Okay, Ramchandra. That is very good. Okay. So strong passwords, like same we have talked about, like just opposite. UPI pin change. Okay. So what strong passwords? Now flipped on to solution. Okay. Strong passwords are boring, and that is good. Strong passwords are very boring, and it is hard to understand them, to learn them, and that is very good, not bad. I don't know my ATM pin. It's written ATM card voucher. Okay. Okay, Bansi. So there are some rules like long 12 characters plus. If you have password, it is strong. Mixed letters, numbers, symbols, it is strong. Unique for every website, it also considered as strong. Make some unique password for every website. Okay. Length matters more than complexity. How complex is your password isn't matter. The length of your password is all its matter. Okay. If your passwords have 8 characters, whatever the thing you have included in it, @ hashtag, nothing matters. only matter is the length. It is as much harder to guess this password according to the length. Okay. So like my dog likes chai at the rate 2026. My M capital, D capital, L capital, C capital. So it is considered as strong password. It is simple. My dog likes chai at the rate 2026, but it is strong because its length matters. Okay, guys. Manjeet, can you suggest me a good password? Yes, Manjeet. Manjeet have pretty much experience regarding the passwords. Manjeet can. Even I once made a project, not project, but a practice project of guessing the password. Guessing, not guessing, but creating the password. But that is only for practice. Nothing else. Okay, sir. Keep move forward. So authentication and authorization. This is a very big question. So tell me, guys. Don't see the slide shares. Okay. Tell me by yourself. What do you mean by authentication and authorization and their difference? Password can be anything. Yes. Yes, Narendra. Nakul at the rate. Okay, Manjeet. Okay, so tell me difference between authentication and authorization. Who you are, what you can access. Okay. Who you who versus what you can access. Okay, so you are reading my VPT only. That is very good. Congratulations, guys. You are being certified copy paster, guys. Authentication is process of verification ourselves by entering password, PIN, and multi-factor authentication. Okay, Arishi, good. No copy paste, sir. Okay, Tapi. Authentication means to verify identity, and authorization means what you can access. Okay, Monish, correct. Correct, Arishli. Correct, Manjeet. And correct, Tafiq and Aditya. You all are right. Abhilash, authentication is checking, authorization is giving. Yes, correct, guys. So, these are two words, sound similar, but mean very different things, okay? Authorization is next process of authentication. Yes, correct, Arishi. Correct. Okay, Manjeet. Authentication verifies identity, authorization, yes, correct. You all are correct. So, authentication, as you all said, who are you, and authorization, what can you do, or what access you have to do on the particular website. So let me give you an example. You enter the office building. Okay. So you don't have office yet. You are students. So let me tell you. Okay. So you all enter your college. On the main gate, did the guard check your ID cards, or you scan your ID card somewhere? You tap somewhere. You face scan. You fingerprint like something stuff. That you are authenticated. Yes, you are who you are. You are a student of this college. Yes. So this is called authentication. You only enter the college when you get authenticated. Yes, you are a student of this college. That's not. Like Gmail used by everyone by user and password will get authenticated. Yes. But you enter the college. But tell me, guys, you can enter the server room of your college? You have entered the college, but can you enter the server room of your college? No. Yes. Why not? Why you can't go to the server room? What is the difference between identity and authentication? Identity is like your profile, who you are. Authentication is like you are authenticated, like who you are. But who will tell you like who are you? like I am a software developer, senior software. So it is my identity. I am a senior software developer. So authentication is like I have verified that I am a employee of this company. I am authenticated to it. Like I have entered the password of my Gmail. So it verifies that this is my Gmail because I know its password. Okay, Pooja. So identity is like this is my email, and how I prove this by authenticating it. Okay, by authenticating it, I will prove my identity. By authentication, I will prove my identity. Access denied. No, yes, one time. No, I don't have access to it. Yes. Okay, you don't have access to your server room because you are not authorized for that. You don't have access for it. Okay. For college, we are students, so we don't have access to server room. Yes, correct, Adnan. Okay, you all are correct. So it is a simple difference between authorization and authentication because server room has everyone details. Yes, correct, Ramcharan. Only the people who have access to it, like senior people, teacher and something like the managers, server manager, only they can go in there, not you, because you don't have access to it. Okay. So let me give you one more example. Like you all have your UMS system, okay, university management system. You all can see, you all can log in into that. You all can see your attendance. But can you change the attendance that you have? Can you change your attendance? No, because you don't have access to it. Only your teacher can change your attendance because they have access. They are authorized to do so. Okay, so it is a basic difference between authorization and authentication. So let's move forward again. Multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, as we already talked about, like we use different steps to authenticate ourselves. Okay, not a single step of password. We use different steps like passwords, OTPs, phone, fingerprint, these stuff. Okay, there are basically three factors: something you have, something you know, or something you are. These are the three things we can use as authentication. Something you know is the password, that you know the password. Something you have, like OTP or phone. You have your phone, you can get OTP and verify it. Or something you are, like fingerprint. You are someone. CAPTCHA also, sir. Yes, correct. CAPTCHA also. CAPTCHA also comes in like something you are. Okay. You use your mind and eyes to see the CAPTCHA and fill it. Authenticator, security question. Yes, correct. Because that's coming something you know. You only who make security questions. Okay. So that you already know. That crucial verification. Yes, Tafiq, correct. Yes, answer. Yes, sir. Okay. So even if password is stolen, multi-factor authentication can save you. Right now, if your password got hacked, any hacker entered your email and passwords, but still he or she needs your Google Authenticator OTP to get in. And we have talked about it that it is offline. It is not connected to server or anything else. It is generated through the algorithm. You are remember now that I have told you on the first day, the interesting thing of the day, that how Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator works. Remember all? Yes or no? Yes. All right. Let's keep move forward. So password managers. What is password managers, guys? Password managers. What do you mean by password managers? Remember password for us. Yes, what's that? Nakul, why are you sad? Someone has beaten you? Or you got 0 marks in any assessment? Why you are sad? Store password in the specific section like websites and password. Yes, Alish. Okay. You are not supposed to remember 50 passwords, right now? So password manager stores securely. It can also generate strong passwords and one master password to access that password manager. Okay, so you have only to remember that one master password for that password manager, and you can access all your 50 passwords. Yes, Narendra, correct. One strong password is better than 50 weak passwords, 50 weak ones. Okay. Okay. Biometric authentication. You all understand biometric authentication, no? What it is? Like fingerprint, face recognition, iris scan, eye scan, or we can say. Biometrics are convenient but not perfect. Always remember this, okay? Biometrics are convenient but not perfect. Iris scan means eye scan. Arga eye scan. Eye scan. Naren, many times happens, Naren, it can be manipulated. Okay? Not perfect means if you are many of you have feel that using physical features of yes correct Ariga Arishi that like you all have Aadhaar cards when you are kids like small 5 to 10 years your Aadhaar card made and you have saved your fingerprints in it, okay, but now if you go to any bank somewhere to get some verification through Aadhaar card. Now you are 22 years old. Many, not for all, but many for us, what problem happens? Your fingerprints got changed. Right now. So you have to be updated regarding the fingerprints. It is not like your fingerprints being same for all your life. It will change. It will have some defects or problems. And it can happen that someone else will have the same fingerprints as you are. It is very rare, but it can happen. Okay, so it is not perfect. It is good, it is convenient, but it is not perfect. Okay, okay, Narendra? Got it, Argana? That iris scan is eye scan. Okay, so you can change the password, you cannot change your fingerprints. If your fingerprints got leaked somewhere, your eye scanning got leaked somewhere, you cannot change it. It will remain same for all your life. Anyone can access it. Like PAN card before 18 years, no photo, and after 18 years, still can also add. Yes, Manji, correct. Okay. Okay, so recap and done this PPT. Okay, guys. So any doubts regarding? So the final message from this session is strong passwords don't make you paranoid. They make you safe. Okay? Strong passwords don't make you hell out. They will make sure that you will be safe. Okay? So strong password is very important. Very, very important. No doubts, Arishdi. Okay, Tafiq. So all of you guys are ready for the quiz. I think you will be excited for the quiz. After quiz, we will have that interesting question, okay? Yes. Okay guys, so let me share the screen and you can join. Okay guys, so scan the QR code and join. Join fast guys. Join fast guys. If you are facing any problem in joining, you can text me. One more minute guys. Join fast. Only 33 players have joined. What about rest? Join. Okay, so 30 seconds more. Join fast. Okay, so all you ready for the quiz? Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Go guys. Okay, so congratulations, Shreya first, who is fourth, Adityanath, Chandu, and Om. Congratulations, all four of you guys. Well tried, Shreya. Next time, try to come in top three or top position. And congratulations, Adityanath for second, and Chandu for third, and Om for first position. And what happened, Aryashri? Now this time you got scammed in question number 4. You haven't read the question properly or options. You are, I think you are at the second position or third position up to question number 3rd. And at number 1, I think, who is there? Remember. But like same stuff, guys. One wrong, Manjit. Yes, I have seen my names. The same stuff. Don't be in so much hurry. Just read the question first properly, okay? Sorry, sir, I didn't focus. No problem, Tafiq. Next time you will try your best to come in top 3 or number 1. The whole purpose for the quiz is like your focus increased and quick responses, and you understand the concept in this session or not. I got wrong question. Yes, Ramcharan. Read the question properly because questions are not so hard. Okay, you are just making hurry to click the answers. That's only the case. Don't be in so hurry. Okay. So tell me, guys, do you like today's session? Then we will talk about the key for 30 seconds. What, Harshita? What 30 seconds? Timer. Okay. Timer. Okay, next time I will increase the timer. But then you will get the time, na, to read the questions and answer the rest properly. Why you have to read the questions so quickly? Okay, the questions are not so large. It is like small questions, like only one-liners, and answers also are one-liners. You have to be quick to get the answer. Okay, no problem. I will take about like 25 seconds or 30 seconds like stuff. Okay, don't worry. Next time I will do 25 seconds or 30 seconds. Maybe she is going somewhere. No, she is talking about time. Okay, Shita, I will think about it. Okay, so do you like the session? And anyone is here who is facing any problem in installing? He or she can still tell me. Next we also yes, Shivam. Getting a point. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Anyone facing any issue in installing? Except the Snapdragon ones. I will see regarding that. Let me check. If anyone is facing any problem regarding downloading, installing, he or she can still tell me. Okay, so all you guys ready for today's interesting thing? Okay. Okay, so tell me, if you make 8 characters password, it is easy to hack it or hard? 8 characters password means include everything. Capital letters, small letters, at the rates, everything. Easy. Okay, how easy? How easy means how much time it will take to hack 8 characters password? What length? Okay, Arishri. Okay, let's take 12 characters password. Not 12. Within days. Okay. So let me tell you, to hack 8 characters password, it will only take 36 minutes, not days. Okay. So why I am saying this? Because of GPU. Did you all listen about GPU? In our laptops, we have CPUs. Graphic card we have only of 2 GB or 4 GB, something like stuff. But there are very big GPUs are there. So okay, and they are so fast that they can generate 100 billion plus password combinations per second. I am talking about per second, 100 plus billion passwords combinations per second. Most 8 character passwords are cracked in microseconds. Most of the 8 character passwords can be hacked in microseconds. Like brute force. Yes, Arishri. But brute force is so fast that 100 plus billion passwords in 1 second. Okay, so possible combinations are very much for 8 character password, like around 218 trillion, and GPU speed is around 100 billion passwords per second. So it can crack any password, any 8 character password in the world in 36 minutes only, using smart algorithms. In only 36 minutes it will take you to hack your password. Even less. 36 minutes I am talking about like all combinations. Okay. And I am talking about a single GPU. If we are using multiple GPUs like 3 or 4, it can take minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes to hack your password. Like in rainbow table, in seconds. But there is a catch. If we are using 12 characters password, okay, 12 characters password, then if we include 10,000 GPUs, it will take around 55 days. I am talking about 10,000 GPUs. It will take around 55 days to hack your 12 characters password. Just we are increasing 4 characters from 8 to 12, and it will make the difference so drastically. Okay, so that is a pretty good example why you have to use a large password in length, 12 characters like stuff, not 8 characters. Previously it is hard to hack like this, like 8 character password, but not in today's world. Today we have so much came forward in the technology, so it is very easy to hack the passwords. Okay guys, and around 20 words. It is almost impossible. Okay, it will take much less time. Impossible, you can say, Mandeep. These length matters most. Yes, Monish. And the preferable passwords are like 15 characters. Okay, including uppercase, lowercase, number, symbol, and everything. Never reuse your password. Use password managers. I can give you some examples of password managers like Bitwarden, 1Password, LastPass. These are some of the password managers that you can use to save your passwords. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the some interesting fact of today's. So do you like it? Well, I have searched one more interesting fact. If you guys, leave it. We will tell. I will tell you that in next session. Let it say for next session. No topic, not this time. What is we use quantum computers? Yes, quantum computers are very fast, very fast. They will crack your password in seconds. Whatever your password, 8 characters, 12 characters, nothing matters. It will hack it in something like seconds or minutes. Doesn't matter. Your length doesn't matter there. Okay. Advanced Gen AI. Yes. Yes, Arishri. Quantum computers are very much forward, but they are still in progress. They are still in the progress to meet. But if they are successful, I think China is one of the most good countries in this quantum computing. They are very much forward from every country. But if they are successful, then it is very big breakthrough. Very, very big. AI is nothing in front of them. Nothing, zero. Quantum computing is very much forward. So okay guys, that's it for today. Do you like today's session? Okay. So tomorrow I think I will be unable to take session. I will talk to the team rest that like today I think 90% I am unavailable. If I am present, if I am available, then I will tell you. Okay. So okay guys, good night everyone. Sweet dreams, and hack someone's system in your dreams. Notes, sir. There is no notes, Jaitilak. The team will share you the PPT. Okay. Soon at night they will share you the PPTs. They have already shared for session 1 and 2 and 3 also. For session 4, 5 and 6 they will share today or by tomorrow. Okay guys, good night. Okay Joel, so you can close the meeting.